This is Clayton Wilhelm's audience. Emily and Owen?
Hello. If you were to play those four chords, C, G, A minor, and F, how many songs do you think you could play and play too? You might be surprised to know that those four chords are the most popular chords in pop music today. Today, I'll be demonstrating to you how to play those four chords. Once you learn to play them, you'll be able to play to countless songs. First thing you'll need is a ukulele. You'll also need a tuner. A tuning app I recommend is the Piano Tuner. It's free and easy to use. I also recommend looking up a YouTube video on how to tune a ukulele if you don't know how to already. The next thing you'll need is just to be patient with yourself. Learning a new instrument for the first time can be very frustrating and time-consuming. You're not going to get it all in the first 30 seconds. So just be patient and learn as much as you can, step by step. The next thing I'll need to explain is fret numbers and string numbers. For the purposes of this video, I'll be referring to this top string as string 1, which will be demonstrated right here on the board. This next string is string 2. The second to bottom string is string 3. And the last string is string 4, which will be right here. The next thing I need to explain is fret numbers. Frets are the spaces in between these metal bars. This will be fret 1, this will be fret 2, this will be fret 3, and so on and so forth. This is also demonstrated on the board. This is fret 1 right here, this is fret 2, and this is fret 3. With that being said, let's learn our first chord. The first chord we're going to learn today is C. To play a C chord, all you do is take your middle finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. This is demonstrated on the board. The next chord we need to learn is a G chord. To transition from the C to the G chord, what you want to do is take your middle finger from that C position and slide up 1 fret. Then put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. What I recommend is practicing the transition from C to G over and over again, because that is the hardest part of this progression. Next chord we need to learn is an A minor chord. To play an A minor chord, you take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. It is demonstrated on the board right here. Then the next chord is an F chord. To transition from the A minor to the F chord, you take your pointer finger and put it on the 1st fret of the 3rd string while keeping your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Now all that together sounds like this. Once you learn these basic chords, you'll be able to play to countless pop songs. One thing I also recommend is you could add a strumming pattern and a picking pattern. One song that is common for beginner ukulele players is I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. And once you put all the components together, it will sound something like this. Thank you for watching.